Good morning, folks, and welcome to episode 8 of Morning Magpie. Yep, go on then, Mag, say up. Yeah, that's about as much as you'll probably get from him. But yeah, today he was. Sorry, that's my dog trying to fucking stick his tongue down my throat. But yeah, I feel like I'm in, as some people have referenced, Disney princess mode. So I've got dog here, bird on my head, and then dog and bird are trying to blooming be friends. But yeah, so if you're still enjoying seeing the magpie and this little shit, drop it a like, get a share, do whatever you fancy. But have a good morning from the Morning Magpie.